Have you seen those incredible videos where a balloon animal magically transforms into a real-life creature? It looks like something straight out of a movie. But here's the thing, you can create the same kind of viral videos yourself, and for free. That's right, you don't need any expensive software, studio setups, or editing teams. All you need are AI tools that are 100% free, and I'm going to teach you step by step how to do it. And trust me, if you follow this method, you can start making viral videos that can get you millions of views on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, or even Facebook Reels. Let me introduce you to a real-life success example. Go to YouTube and search for the channel, The Shivansh Style. This channel is a perfect example of how fast you can grow on YouTube if you use AI videos the right way. Let's look at some facts. Channel name, The Shivansh Style. Started June 9th, 2025 subscribers in just 20 days, 113,000 plus total videos. Uploaded only 48 videos. Views. Most of the videos have millions of views. For example, first viral video, 1.5 million views. Second one, 2.7 million views. Another one, 16 million views. Pretty much every video on the channel is crossing millions of views because they are unique, creative, and AI-powered. And the best part? You can do this too, even if you're a complete beginner. Step 2. Generate viral image prompts. Using ChatGPT. Once you've found a viral video you like, here's what you need to do. 1. Take screenshots. Watch those viral videos and take screenshots of the most interesting scenes. Pick images that stand out, cool transformations, creative animals, colorful scenes, or magical moments. 2. Use ChatGPT to create image prompts. Next, go to ChatGPT. You can use the free version. Upload the screenshot and ask ChatGPT. Please generate AI image prompts similar to this image so I can recreate it. ChatGPT will give you detailed prompts that describe the image in a way that AI art tools can understand. For example, if your screenshot shows a balloon animal turning into a real animal, ChatGPT might give you a prompt like, a colorful balloon animal in the middle of a grassy field, mid-transformation into a realistic cartoon animal with soft lighting and magical sparkles in the background. 3. Save all the prompts. Keep these prompts safe. You'll need them in the next step to create the actual images. Step 3. Create high-quality AI images with Leonardo.ai. Now that you have your prompts, let's turn them into beautiful AI images. Go to Leonardo.ai. It's free to use. Here's how. How to use Leonardo.ai. Sign up for an account at Leonardo.ai. Click Create and select Image Generation. Select the model. Use Phoenix 1.0. This model works great for fantasy and cartoon-style images. Keep most other settings default so it's easy for beginners. Set the image ratio to 9:16. This is the perfect size for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Generate the images. Copy the prompts you got from ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into Leonardo.ai and click Generate. In just a few seconds, you'll get amazing high-definition images that look super professional. Leonardo.ai gives you 150 free credits every day, so you can keep creating images without paying. Create a folder on your computer or phone to keep all your images in order. Name them Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, etc. This will help when you move to the animation and editing steps. Extra tips for better images. Use consistent lighting and camera angles so your video looks smooth when animated. Use variations of prompts to create different scenes, like before and after transformation moments. Try zoomed-in shots, wide shots, and close-ups to add variety to your final video. Now, all the images have been created. After this, I will make the AI video. For that, I will use 2 websites. The first website is Pixverse AI. Don't worry, I will give you the prompts in the YouTube description. All you have to do is copy and paste them. Use Pixverse. Go to Pixverse. They also offer free credits for beginners. Log in and click on Animate Image. Upload the image you created with Leonardo.ai. Use this prompt for animation. As the foam balls clear, a real cartoon-style version of the same animal instantly appears in the center. Click Generate and wait 10-20 seconds. Pixverse will give you a high-quality animated video. For each image you created in Leonardo.ai, repeat the process in Pixverse. Make sure to use the same prompt for consistency. In the same way, you just copy and paste, and your video will start generating exactly like I'm showing. Pixverse creates AI videos very quickly. The second website is didvision.ai. This is an excellent platform. It gives you 300 credits for free the first time, and after that, you also get daily credits. As you can see on my screen, you can even check how many credits I have. Now I click on Create, upload an image, paste the prompt, and the video starts generating. Then I upload the next image, paste the prompt again, and the next video begins. In this way, by using these two websites, you can create free AI videos easily. After that, we'll move on to editing them. Step 5. Final editing with CapCut. Now, it's time to put everything together and create the final video. How to edit in CapCut. Open CapCut. It's free on mobile and desktop. Import all the animated clips you made with Pixverse. Drag each video onto the timeline in the order you like. Add transitions to make it smooth. Add background music, sound effects, and text overlays like "Amazing transformation." You won't believe this. Watch till the end. Export your video in 1080p or 4K and upload it to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, or any other platform. This method is simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. With AI tools, you don't need expensive cameras or video editors anymore. You just need creativity and a little bit of time. If you stay consistent, you could be the next channel to hit millions of views, just like the Shivansh style. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing AI videos.